a simple Japanese philosophy, transformed global productivity forever. Today, we uncover Kaizen, Japan's powerful cultural secret. This method radically improved efficiency across industries worldwide. Kaizen means change for good, or continuous improvement. It emphasizes small, consistent steps, not massive overhauls. You can apply Kaizen to enhance your personal focus. Discover how this ancient wisdom reshapes modern productivity. Its impact extends far beyond the factory floor. Kaizen emerged in post-WWII Japan, aiding industrial recovery. It became central to the famous Toyota production system. Masaaki Imai popularized Kaizen globally in the 1980s. His book, Kaizen, The Key to Japan's Competitive Success, defined it. Kaizen focuses on eliminating waste and improving processes daily. It champions everyone's involvement, from top management to line workers. This collective effort drives significant, sustainable change over time. Kaizen is not a one-time event, it's a philosophy. Toyota Motor Corporation exemplifies Kaizen's profound impact. Taiichi Ohno, an industrial engineer, spearheaded its development there. He introduced just-in-time manufacturing, minimizing inventory waste. Workers constantly suggested improvements on the factory floor. This Gemba approach meant go to the actual place. Observing problems directly led to innovative, practical solutions. Toyota achieved unmatched quality and efficiency through Kaizen. Their commitment to Kaizen made them a global automotive leader. Kaizen principles extend beautifully to individual productivity habits. Instead of huge changes, aim for tiny daily enhancements. Want to read more? Start with just 5 pages per day. Need better focus? Block out 15 minutes for deep work. Regularly review your tasks, identifying small areas for improvement. Ask yourself, how can I make this process just 1% better? These small, consistent efforts compound into remarkable results. Celebrate these minor victories to maintain momentum and motivation. Kaizen's philosophy permeates various aspects of Japanese culture. It fosters a mindset of respect, continuous learning, and teamwork. Japanese education often emphasizes steady, incremental skill development. Even personal growth pursuits embrace this patient, deliberate approach. The idea is progress, not perfection every single day. This cultural commitment ensures long-term mastery and innovation. Kaizen truly defines a way of life, not just a technique. It cultivates patience and resilience in all endeavors. Kaizen, a Japanese cultural gem, offers immense productivity power. Embrace small, consistent improvements in your daily routines. Remember, lasting change comes from gradual, persistent effort. Adopt the Kaizen mindset for sustainable personal and professional growth. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of powerful focus methods.